One is a human and one is a cat, but they're best friends. What you think about that? Best friends forever.
Will you help me with this one? Peak unawareness. Blank B, blank blank V, I, blank blank S.
Oblivious.
Yeah, same here. I'm totally oblivious too. I'm just...
Hey, dude, why don't you have a girlfriend or whatever?
What?
Why are you single?
Where the hell is this coming from? Are you going on YouTube again?
No. Man, I watched Love Island on that purple couch with you, dude. I know what you want. So look good.
Well, first of all, I mean, to insinuate that I want what the people on Love Island want, I mean, you don't know that. I mean, it does look magical. But outside of that, I've had girlfriends. I've had many girlfriends. It's just, there's not a lot of time, and you need time,
Well, don't you worry.
Worry about...
I don't know. Worry that as the years go on, you'll start to wonder, what if? What if you had said no to this or that, but should have said yes instead? Or that maybe you focused on things that really didn't matter at all? What if you never made time for your heart? Me need a partner, Gareth. I'm not going to be...
Okay, all right. I get it. Enough. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, sorry.
It's not like you have a girlfriend, so...
Yeah, someone took my balls.
And if we ever find that son of a bitch...
We will kill him.